Hey, baby.
Hey, guys. What'd you just say?
Baby booze.
That's disgusting. Cremate.
Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
I'm Marjan.
And I'm Danielle.
And together we're DeLexisEats who make mukbangs together. We're best friends.
Yay!
Nah, for real. I'm Danielle.
I'm Marjan.
What's up?
Oh, we probably messed them up.
I mean, if
I'm Marjan. Don't spell it wrong. I'm coming for the end.
Who? Why was the volume all the way up?
Can't get copyright. Who bit my straw?
You bit your straw.
You bit my straw.
I didn't bite your straw.
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this.
Anyways, today
Every Monday, that's a new shit.
Today,
It's a new shit.
y'all. Today we got some hot wings and stuff. And yeah, we did just.
Oh, what's that smell? It smells like conditioner. This time they might have washed their hands in the fryer. Man, y'all today, y'all don't know what we having, do you?
I just told them hot wings.
Well, it's in the thumbnail, sis.
Anyway, so we got some chicken wings. Yes, again. Somebody was like, "Ooh, y'all do chicken wings too much. Do some seafood. Like we don't got no seafood.
You gonna pay for the seafood money? You gonna pay for it? So we're gonna go with the chicken. Then tell your disclaimer on how you eat chicken. Cause they be coming for you, girl.
For real, it's irritating.
They
Like,
be coming for you. Gang bang on them.
so y'all, ooh, Danielle didn't know to eat chicken. Like it's done already. It's in the trash. Shut up. Dang. It's in the trash.
Ooh, sis snapped. Ooh, you sister snapped. Ooh, God, I did not expect that. I'm kind of scared myself, y'all. Just please don't come for her and her chicken wings. And don't be telling me to tell her how to eat them because my fatty self be over here enjoying myself. Cleaning my bone, licking it clean. That's how I eat them, that's how she eat.
So if y'all just cover my face if I don't know how to eat chicken wings and watch her eat them, okay? Okay. Jesus. Stop.
So today, don't come for that ass saying I got too much food. It's Mystery Monday. We got some French fries.
It's not no Mystery Monday.
It's mystery for me. Yeah. This.
Hallelujah.
Y'all know I love chicken, so I had to give me a 20 piece, okay? Protein stuff.
Okay. Okay.
It's crunchy. Heavenly Father, I come to you today. Please bless us to have a good meal. This is a good cut meal, and I'm loving it. And we got the iced tea to match because we are cutting today. No calories involved. Amen. Preach. Hallelujah.
Amen. Even though I got soda. It just came with my meal. And they didn't have nothing diet, so I got root beer.
So I got garlic parmesan and lemon pepper because y'all know how I do. Tasty. Y'all always asking what kind of skinny pills I got. Apple cider vinegar, y'all. Get on my level. $13 to 2. Alright.
Blue face, baby. I'm every woman's fantasy. That's all I know.
Mama always told me I don't break hearts, so don't be mad at me. Here I go. Dose them down. Bottoms up. Ooh, I got one down. Real skinny already. I'm about to get messy. Hey, give me some soda room. We ain't got nothing to talk about today, y'all.
It's 6 o'clock. First time eating. I got some carrots.
Oh, so you cutting.
These some sweet carrots. Want one?
I ain't close to it.
Now, these hot wings and stuff came from our local Chinese joint.
They really did this time.
No. It came from the local other local Chinese joint.
Y'all see how classy I am with that pinky up, dipping and serenading that carrot. Go ahead and bite it like this.
This wing place is called Wing something. Nah, don't let them know.
Oh, I need some air. Burn up.
Chicken wing. Have a bite. That's it. If y'all don't like seeing bones and stuff, look away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I go. Here's for all the people who say I can't eat the chicken. Here you go. Eat the rest of this. Thank you.
If y'all don't like smacking, oh well. Somebody told us, they was like, you guys should be doing salad.
And you should you should be minding your business.
I mean, I could have told them that, but I said, clearly you don't watch us enough. We've been cutting since day one. Okay? I'm skinny. You fat. That's how much I don't give. You know, I'm gonna start saying that because nobody gonna tell me what I am. I'm skinny. What you gonna do about it?
I mean, these people out here identifying as aliens, so why can't you call yourself skinny?
Preach.
Make it make sense.
People out there saying they love God, but yet they doing crazy stuff. Make it make sense. Dip right back in.
I need some more ranch. They played me.
They sure did. Always messy, but I stay classy.
And never look sloppy. We spill some, we don't wear. Like I just dropped something, I'm not gonna pick it up. I am. It's on my thing.
That defeats the whole purpose.
It didn't fall on the floor. It fell on my lid.
And y'all got them seasonings got me. Y'all got one more damn time to come in the comments saying we blasphemy because we love food. Excuse me?
They can't see you. full though. That's what I get for being so dang skinny.
Dang. I ain't got enough room in your belly.
Oh. And I had some a whole platter of vegetables yesterday. I'm real skinny. I mean, it had ranch in it, but I'm still skinny. That was a whole potato chip. I got a burp. Where'd it go?
It's right here.
Can you just one time eat the chicken this way and do that?
You do it.
I can't. I
ain't about to do it.
It's gonna take all that stuff off. I'm not about that.
Hope you can talk about me. I ain't gonna do it. You gotta see how unbothered I am. They're really crispy, these.
Blue face, baby.
Yeah, right.
I'm everyone's fantasy. Bust down, Tatiana.
I want to see you right now.
I like these. I like this flavor better than Wingstop.
The hot wing. I like Wingstop better because their crispy is too much sometimes. But I ain't complaining because I love my food. Okay.
They what is? Oh, they cost too much.
Crisp.
Oh.
About the same price. Oh, how y'all doing?
How you doing?
Hope y'all use some chicken for protein.
In these videos, we just be eating whatever we be craving. That's all it is.
Don't come for us saying it's unhealthy neither. It's chicken and protein. Healthy.
Or don't comment again saying that we eat too much chicken. We black. We like chicken.
Love chicken. We don't like chicken. We love chicken.
And then I got me a unsweetened tea right here because I'm thirsty.
Stay hydrated.
Nice.
Thank you. And potatoes is a vegetable.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's a starch.
No, it ain't. It's a vegetable. They grown, so it's a vegetable. Made that mistake, getting them too spicy.
Next time, I'm gonna try the volcano.
Girl. They can add just a tad more salt to the fries.
All that did was put some air in my stomach. That's why I burped.
Woo! Over my ring chip. What's today's message?
Don't.
That's a good message. I was gonna say, never get triggered. Okay. By somebody else's opinion. I didn't day homegirls to the biscuit. You gonna do what you wanna do.
Last chicken wing. It ain't no hair in here today. It's a whole different place.
The former disrespect in that last video, can't leave.
My mouth is really on fire. I look like a dirt. I don't like that. Okay, I'm done. All my chicken is done. What y'all been up to in the past 2 days?
Yeah, what y'all been doing?
I hope somewhere in between that time y'all slept once or twice.
Hopefully. Hopefully y'all staying blessed. Somebody said that thank you for praying for her because her mom is out of the hospital. Thank you, Lord. That's amazing.
That is amazing. That's a clean Tesla. Real clean, Granny.
Where's she going? To church?
I think she going home from charging her Tesla. Did y'all go to Coachella? Cause we didn't. It was no Coachella over here. Did y'all watch Coachella on YouTube? Cause we didn't. Did you watch Coachella?
No. At home minding my own. AKA sleep. I got a whole bunch of wings left, y'all.
Caught one?
Huh? Yeah.
What flavor is that?
I don't know. That's a leg.
Yeah.
You mother trucker.
Oh, it's the garlic one.
Oh, I can't tell.
It don't really got no flavor. It just tastes naked. With a dash of garlic.
That's why I said it's a healthy meal.
It's a cut meal.
How you gonna tell me that I'm healthy? You can't even taste it.
And chicken is protein. Protein is healthy.
Say a lot for Roberto in the back.
Not Roberto. We like Roberto.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get his attention.
Where is Roberto? Where is he? It's for Roberto. Oh, I'm gonna have to leave that in there just for him.
Just for him.
Just for him.
You know what? If y'all don't like burps, it ain't about you right now. It's about Roberto. Find a Roberto.
If y'all watching this far, Do that burp timestamp and put Roberto. This is for you. Yes.
He gonna live it, y'all. He gonna feel that.
Cause he been missing since December.
And you know what? I've been looking up and down, sideways, back for Roberto.
He ain't around. So put that burp timestamp and put Roberto. This is for you. Help him out.
He gonna love that. If y'all think burps are disgusting, they are.
They go.
Yeah. But let me tell you something. I don't give a D-A-M-N.
What'd you say?
Oh! I ain't told her this yet. But my coworker, Tia, she said she subscribed to us. And she watched our chicken video. And she be calling me out at work all the time. And she support us. So, shout out to you.
Your coworker, Tia? What's up, Tia?
And to taste it with Tia, she watch you.
Huh? Oh, it's the one who saw us on her channel? And yes. Wait, she watches before that or after that? After?
She didn't know we did it until tasting with Tia.
Oh.
So thank you, Tia and Tia.
That's cute.
It's crunchy. You want another one?
No, I'm good. I'm full.
You sure now?
I'm good.
You positive?
I'm positive.
Y'all saw that? I tried the shit. Don't come for me. Cause I don't give a D-A-M-N. Say it with me. I don't give a D-A-M-N.
Let's go to the beauty supply store.
For what?
Cause I want to get some little clips for my hair.
Well, I just bought some.
Okay, can I use some?
Huh?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
You can.
It's cause
got a whole pack.
It's cause I want to put a lot. Oh, I can have them?
Oh, you gonna pay me $1?
Oh, that's fine.
I'm gonna try to do for hairstyle with my wig. That's why I got them.
Got what?
Them things.
Oh. Well, I'll just go get some. That's okay.
I said you could have them. I got 2 whole packs.
Oh. Are they gold or silver?
Silver. Yeah, she gonna stop eating. She's so fat. I don't give a D-A-M-N. It's so good. Protein.
You know those naked wings ain't even good. Tastes naked.
Yeah, it's protein. I'm cutting. I feel myself getting strong.
I almost spit that out.
My bad.
Oh, he on the phone and he carrying a bag. Oh, he lost. Wait, it's no Nordstrom in here. It's a Nordstrom in here.
Yes,
oh, it's a Nordstrom rack in here, but that's not a Nordstrom rack bag. Oh no, it's just a regular bag. It's no kind of brand.
Here comes Paul Blart. I always want to be up in our video.
If he waiting for his Uber, the Uber pickup is down there. It's down there, sir. It's down that way. The other way. Yes, that way. No. Dumb. Stupid.
Oh, the Uber right here though.
Oh, it's his buddies right there. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it's his girlfriend. It's his whole girlfriend.
Oh, let me hug you. I haven't seen you. Oh, she bought him something. What are he doing?
We nosy, but
they the ones in the middle of the street. Where he going? Wrong way, girl. Strange.
It was just some kind of handoff. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down. Twerking it up. Bust it. Bust it. Oh my gosh, it's Amber Rose. Look. It's Amber Rose.
I know you not. I know you not. The form of disrespect. Lord have mercy.
I got a live action mukbang right here.
Look, that's gonna cut it.
It's disgusting.
I can't stand watching people eat, make me eat. I mean, watch me eat.
Ugh. One time in a nail shop, I had up close and personal ASMR. Oh man. Nothing. Okay, it's okay.
Girl, let me tell you about this one time. I was sitting there getting my nails done.
And that old lady sucking on that lollipop?
Not even that. Larry gonna sneeze without the mask on. I was like, Larry, you gonna hold on now. You got way too much dip on your chest.
You know the old lady who worked there who always next to the lady doing my nails. Every time we go in there, she don't be doing nothing but eating. And right next to the lady doing my nails. And I'll hear or like sucking noise. And I'm like, stop!
Nah, you know what I would have done? I would have done, sweetheart. You see what you're doing? You in my ear. Get out my ear! I would have done that. But that right there ain't cool.
That's it.
Oh, hold on. And somebody asked us, do we just take the skinny pills and not change our eating habits? Or are we actually taking the skinny pills and trying to eat healthy? First of all, it ain't none of your damn business. How about that? Let me start there. The skinny pills is so we can get skinny. We getting slim thick. Don't you see me getting slim thick? If not, that's your problem. Fix your eyes. Because I'm losing weight, honey. Okay? Skinny head to toe. Curvilicious. Bomb.com.
Bootylicious. Ass on flat.
Hold on now. I ain't got no ass flat. Okay? My ass is plump. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. My ass is plump. It's been getting plump.
Okay.
Tell them so they know I ain't got flat ass syndrome. It's a little flat, but it's getting plump. Tell them. If I can move to the side and I can see my ass, it ain't flat, sir. No. I got booty.
So
you got booty?
It's getting there, yeah.
Slim dick!
Because we've been getting skinny, so our ass is showing now.
So guess what? The skinny pills is working, whether we eating healthy or not.
So this whole video was just us trolling, for real.
Man, I feel bad for y'all.
Sorry, but not really.
Y'all always have to deal with our BS.
So that'll do it, guys.
And yo, what are y'all? See you on Saturday.
See y'all on Saturday.
That's so long.
Or we might do a live.
That's real long.
We're going to do a live somewhere in between.
Just so you know, Danielle don't want to get this shmoney. So she the one that said we're going to do one on Saturday. It's one on Saturday.
That's our usual upload, you know.
No.
Tuesday, Saturday.
Twice a week.
And then the live in between.
That's booty. I could have sworn it was 3 videos.
No. I mean, we could make it 3 if you want to, but we on broke this week, so it's going to have to start next week.
Okay, Bronx
sweetheart.
Okay, you put on them hoops and turned into a whole different person, huh?
So, that'll do it, y'all. We got to go, because we got some stuff to do. 911 about to come on.
Oh, definitely. And we gotta roll around this city and talk about it. Look, cause he out of line. He is out of line. Okay. Let me show y'all how out of line Hold on there. Back it up. Cause you're making it seem like I stink. You're making it seem like I got horse hair. This is half human. Okay. Hair synthetic. But this is human in here. And it smells delightful. It smells like burnt rubber. Don't come for me, ho. This is stiff wear.
I did that because you hit me in the face.
Stiff wear. Okay, y'all, hold on there. Look at them. Lace where?
Let me see.
Bitch where?
Anyways, we're gonna
get like me. Don't walk around like these dusty, crappy hoes, okay? If you can't get your hair done because you a chicken head, shut up.
Bye.
Get you this wig and swing it. Swing it. Do not let people tell you. Don't let them tell you nothing. If you want to be slim thick and you skinny, you slim thick. If you slim thick and you want to be skinny, you're skinny. That's it. Period. No sentence. Go say your statement.
Bye, guys.
Say your statement.
What these little hoodlums doing? I'm locking this. Get off the door. I gotta lock it.
Hello, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. What
get
they
off
doing?
the door.
Say what you gotta say.
Bye, guys. We'll see you guys on Saturday, okay?
No, that's not what you wanted to say.
I don't have anything to say.
Tell them what you want to say.
I literally don't want to say anything.
Tell them I hear you in my head.
Okay, if you hear something, then say it.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you ain't gonna like it, but I'm gonna say it.
Okay, go. That's not what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking anything, but okay. So we're gonna go.
No, let me try again.
I'm literally not thinking anything. Okay,
come here, sister power. I know what she's thinking. She said, if you want to be slim thick and you skinny, get slim thick. If you want to.
Actually, when we touch foreheads, I was thinking Marjan, shut the hell up, literally. So you're wrong. Okay, bye, guys.
Ask me if I give a DAM in.
Bye.
Ask me. Ow! If you grab onto my horsehair one more time, it's gonna be me and your ass. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Hold on, we ain't done. Oh, my food.
Y'all see me trying to end this video? She won't let
me. We ain't ready yet. We ain't ready. They ain't ready yet.
It's 35 minutes.
Where your glasses at? How you seeing?
I got contacts, ho.
Let me see. Where they at?
They in there.
How? Your eyeball coming out of your head. No, that's weird. Don't show that no more.
What do you mean?
Don't show that no. I saw the contact protrude out. Oh no. Y'all hashtag Danielle need her glasses. Hashtag that. Because I ain't seen that ever again. Period.
What?
I can't. Back it up. I don't like seeing that. Y'all, this is crazy. Sent by alien.
Okay, bye. For real, bye. I'm crying.
Tell them what you wanted to say.
I don't have anything to say.
Curse at me one more time.
I don't.
Hold on there.
What's this? What's this? Can't see nothing.
We don't want no chicken little. Oh, if you're single and you're a firefighter and you're watching this, I'm single and ready to mingle.
If you a surgeon and you watching this, I'm single. We gonna be rich together.
Take that out.
Why?
Because you just said you're doing YouTube for money.
Barely. I said if you a surgeon and you watching this, we gonna get rich. We gonna be rich together. AKA, I'm gonna be rich off his money.
I just heard I'm a gold digger. That's
pretty much.
You know, I ain't even knocking it because you know if you're gonna be rich, I'm gonna be rich. So I'm not even tripping. I'm not tripping. Your money is my money.
Okay, bye for real.
Hold on. Let me do one more thing. God does not like ugly. So wake up and be on a 10. Do not be out here walking around in pajamas and hair scarves. Period. That's it.
Okay.
That's all that's it. If you feel triggered by anything I say, get over it. It's 2019, ho. And if you do it backwards, it's 1902.
9102?
Yeah, whatever. Y'all get it. Either way it goes. Get over it. And cut. Don't forget to cut. This is sweet. This is not sweet tea. This is pure tea. It's disgusting. Get you something disgusting if you're trying to cut. It don't taste good. But it's cut.
And while y'all over here in 2019, we up in 2090.
Doing what? Living. Our best lives.
Flying.
Forget flying. I'm teleporting.
Okay, for real, bye.
Alright, bye y'all. I love y'all. Bye. It's what the hell. What?
You done now for real?
I've been done.
Okay, bye.